Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart LED LCD TV Repairing. In today's video, I will show you a 55-inch LED with no backlights. So let's start our video. As you see that I am pressing this standby key. Lights blinks on or found off. There is a little hint in screen but no picture. So viewers, we can assume that its backlight are faulty. Now we will open the case and check all the lights by LED tester. Then faulty lights are replaced. Now kindly we will subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. So every new video will show you up. This is last screw. You opened it. Here is a power jack. You remove this and take it to a site. These screws are small, so open them with a small Phillips screwdriver and take care of panels, especially it is very delicate. I have put this mattress under it. Open the screws one by one. Friends, I have removed all the screws. Now I am removing these flex tapes slowly. Also remove this data from here and these flex cable also, because it is very important to detach them, otherwise cuff will be damaged. This cuff. Friends, one by one remove all these. Friends, I have turned the side and now I am removing its bezel slowly. Watch this, it's very delicate. Friends, I have removed the panel firstly with the help of my friend because it is very delicate. So, and put it on a side on a mattress. Now I am removing the plastic corners and putting them one by one in the side. Friends, I am not taking the reflectors off. Now here comes the part which I am trying to demonstrate to you and all this video is about. These are all backlights. Now we will check these by LED tester and see which lights are faulty and needs to be replaced. Friends, I am opening these one by one. These are for support of panel. After removing all these supports, we will remove this white paper, reflector paper. Then underneath these backlight are required to be checked by these connections. So wait for next step. And now I am removing this reflector paper carefully. It has also a double tape inside it. Now look at this. Slowly. Put this paper aside. Now friend, these are backlights. We have to check them one by one step by our backlight tester. Friends, now we will check them one by one. Each strip. Look at this. It is all four lights are lighting up, and voltage on the tester is 22.7. This shows as each bulb is of 6 volt approximately. Now come to the next. This is also good. Now check the next. All four lights are lighting up. It is good. Look at this, friends. I think this is the bad one. This is the culprit. Now mark this and come to the next. It is okay. It is also okay. It is okay. It is also okay. And this is the culprit. This whole strip is bad, so I will replace this. Then we will see the result, if the whole lights glow or not. So we will open this from here. Its light bulb are of 6 volt, so it will be replaced by same. Remove the jack from here. Now I will check if it is available or not, then I will replace it. Friends, I have changed this strip, whole strip. Now I am giving it power, then we will see how it works or not. This is its power jack. Now we will give it AC power. Here, friends. Here, look at this standby light is on. Now I am pressing standby key from remote. And let's look at this, friends. All LEDs glows. We can say that our backlight is good now. Now we will assemble it and then check after its picture is okay or not. Work almost done. Now assembling is also a difficult job, but we will manage it. Friends, we will attach its support of panel. These plastics hooks are support for its panel because panel is very wide. We will fix them one by one. These are very important because without these panel will break. Friends, I have assembled this last spot. Now I will give power again and put its reflector paper on. You can see here. Here is its power button. I will press it, and now you can see the LED lights glows. Now I will put papers on it. So friends, its side is changed. Friends, now I am placing its panel support. I have almost done it. After this, we will place the panel very carefully. Look at this, all four supports are placed quite well. You can see it should not uneven because panel would damage. Friends, I have placed the panel very carefully with the help of my friend. Now I am cleaning it and I will place on its bezel. Now watch me. I am placing its bezel. From one side. Look at this. It has small locks. As you can hear the noise of tick. It is placing in its place. Look at this. Friends, after turning it, I am now closing its sides by mini screws. Then I will assemble its LVDS cables and other connections. I will show you. Friends, case is almost covered. Now I am doing my connections of this LVDS cable and this flex cable. Then I will put its back cover. I have attached all these tapes to the T-con scalar board. As look look at this. Do it carefully because it have very tiny connections, so it should be okay. Now you can see this, all the cable is equal, and press it. Same goes with this side. Here are its locks, tiny locks, you can see it. Now press it. It is okay. Now its LVD is done. Press both sides here. It's done. Now I will put its back cover and then power it on. It's done here. Safely place it that all sides are equal. Now it's okay. I will put the screws. Tight every screw. Friend, there is a tip I am giving to you very honestly. When you change the backlight or work for a 55-inch or larger screen, then kindly take help of your friend because it is easy to manage. For a single person, it is very difficult. And another tip is that when you open the screws, kindly put them in a little jar or something else because if any one screw comes under the. Friends, I have assembled it and now it's time for checking. I am pressing the remote power key Now wait for it. Look at this, friends. The TV comes back to life. It's not easy job, but I have given you step by step training so that anybody could do this. Friends, look at this picture. Friend, this video ends here. Kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. So every my next video will show you, and keep watching my channel for latest videos. Thanks. Goodbye.